Let me show you a little bit of my depression. Why YouTube become my... Let me forward it. You have to start my laptop. Trust me. What the fuck? Listen. I get a message, a signal on the laptop. I just want to tape when my son is coming home and how many hours I'm in the house without him. Well, my daughter was there. And they tell me they're going to process my laptop. I still try to look what is in the laptop. You want to start my computer on 17th of July, 1838. My laptop. Why you want to start it? What are you looking in my laptop? So I want to make video. Why don't you go start your grandmother's vagina in the graveyard? Over my dead body you will start it. I turn it off in 30 minutes, motherfuckers. Go clean the graveyard. Because that's the only future you get. Like to snoop on people. Try to tell you have to start my laptop. 12 minutes. What the fuck you think I am? Secret brainwashing me inside the house. I'm inside. Just want to make a homemade video of me. And then I get insults. And when I forward it, where my son came, there is no internet cable for you to watch that online. What's the problem? And then I came back, I said, because they keep sending a signal. This is not internet, this is homemade video. You want to start the computer, you have to start it when I'm online. I'm not online. First of all, you cannot access it because the internet cable is not on. So how can you start someone's computer or laptop without the internet cable? He's sending me a message, a sound. I'm trying to take light so that when it's dark I can press play and then the bright light will give me light in the darkness. That's what I'm doing. I tape myself in the kitchen instead of taping people passing. There is no internet cable for you to process the laptop. You need internet cable. This is no internet cable. That's the cable. So when you're gonna, if I'm online, you send me a message. You wanna check the computer for virus. Okay, but it's not on. So how can you reach my computer, my laptop? How can you reach it without the cable? It's supposed to be on online. This is homemade video without internet cable. So I am just thinking a little bit faster and smarter than your list, because I know nobody can process laptop or computer without them. You need internet to scan everything, but it's not on. If I put it on, then you can scan it. So you're sending me a message, this is a good message. Your laptop gonna be started in 30 minutes. How can you start it without signal? My question. And why today, of all days, 17th of July? It takes pussy to still be in the world. All the dick are dead. It takes vagina to still drive in the street with one drop of sperm. So why do I want to process my laptop today of all days? The most beast day. I'm trying to be normal. So no beast is welcome to adjust nothing today. Do it another day. So you can see what's going on with me. I'm just trying, and now my kids, they cannot. I can, what I'm doing when I'm not posting, I play music and then they get the computer and the laptop. And then it's the only way they can play. This my African sister visits me. I play a voice of people who visit me.
So,
Don't forget what's the next 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, yeah. I'm making only video. I want to make 1 hour. You're telling me that I have to start my laptop.
I have to make 60 minutes. They want me to stop my video in 46 minutes. I think it's a pure insulting. Someone is saying because Holland have 60 minutes and then London have 60 minutes. And if you tape yourself for 60 minutes, it means you tape yourself. The game is, it's more like someone is trying to tell me, this is not my house, it's a rent house, I'm not supposed to tape my shadow inside of it. Come on. Break the house, you will find out that the house is not even touching me. This is my body, that's the house. The house is not touching me. Funny, it's not moving. Now, I make popcorn. Okay. Oh my god. I see the game. I post the video before, and the video was 46 minutes. I stop it. And now when I'm taping the second video, and as soon as it reaches 46 minutes, they want me to stop it. 46 minutes, 46 minutes. Take a look. I did not able to play back to see the game. This video if you stop it, I don't know if you can see the number. It was 46 minutes. Too much light. And now I start a second video because this was in my kitchen. I start a second video, and as soon as it reaches to the 46 minutes, they tell me they have to process my. How can you process a laptop without a cable? So in my laptop,
tape a daylight, and I think I'll get a.
What I was doing is this.
Time to tape a daylight, and I think I'll get a better view here. By taping that whiteboard, by focus on that whiteboard. Yeah, the plan.
I want to tape the daylight so when it's dark, I can watch the daylight. That's what I was doing.
What's flagging that? It's one on there. Keep it. Light and noise. It's far away. Doesn't give better reflection. Maybe here. I don't want to tape the window. Then you tape people passing. It's not nice. You don't want people are sleeping and the night you playing, you see the people going up and down. If I'm passing in my house, it's no problem. But to tape other people passing the whole time, it's not nice. It's like they're sleeping, but what's passing is the shadow of them. Still taking a walk. So like this, then it changes to more light. This gives light. That one gives light. Like this. There is light. So in the night when it's dark, when I test how bright is my laptop. So my mother, thank you for another experience today. Today is not finished yet.